Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking down the essentials: purpose, assets, and domain, because structure follows decisions. First, pick a template that fits your goal. It saves layout time. Once chosen, upload a logo and optimized images, add headline copy, and sketch a simple site map so pages have a clear order. Make sure to decide whether to use the default sites. Google, com address, or connect a custom domain now. Doing this early prevents link rework later and keeps navigation consistent. Next, construct the site. Add main pages and lock in navigation order so visitors flow naturally. Use section layouts, rows, and columns to balance text and visuals. This keeps pages readable on mobile and desktop. Embed Google Drive files, videos, or custom HTML snippets where interactive content is needed. Once done, apply consistent style choices, fonts, colors, and spacing, so every page feels unified. This reduces cognitive load for users and speeds future updates. Finish by publishing with the right permissions. Select public or restrict by domain depending on audience. Then, preview on mobile and desktop to catch layout breaks, broken links, or slow-loading media. Make sure contact forms and embeds submit correctly and enable analytics to track visitor behavior. If something goes wrong, permissions, broken embeds, or DNS, first clear cache and check sharing settings, then revert to a prior version if needed, because sites keeps revisions, and that often fixes unexpected errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.